Okay, the one thing we forgot to mention was that this is supposed to be a two-color contrasting bag with a stitching that's in contrast. So our main bag is going to be this royal blue that we've shown you. And then the strap, which will mean starting from the bottom and continuing up, since that's one piece, that's going to be our contrasting green that goes with our PET. And we're going to use the blue stitching that we've indicated to stitch this on. So you'll see visible stitching. And what that's going to mean is that your seam lines are going to be really visible because they're going to contrast with the fabric behind it. It's not a strong contrast, but it's enough that you really need to stay straight with your stitching, just as much as it's important to stay straight with the grommets. So that was the last detail we had for you, which was the two colors. And it's got to be done in two colors with the beefier fabric. And I wanted to, oh, here, one other thing. I wanted to show you when you're stitching this line, you've got enough stretch and pull to the fabric that you're getting some bunching. And I want to see if you can put some tape behind the seam. Possibly moving to the thicker fabric will help you, but we're gonna need to do something so that that seam stays straight and doesn't have the bunching. And if we use a piece of tape as stiffener behind it, that could solve the problem. But that's just something to be aware of. So two colors, straight stitches, and notice that we've got a contrast thread in the fabric, so it's going to show every misstitch and non-straight line really clearly. You've got to be really tight with that. Thanks. Sorry to bother you, Joe.